How to get rid of blackhead? Blackhead occur when your pore become blocked by unwanted skin. The black color in deer. When the unwanted skin are exposed to the earth oxides, which turn them black. There are many ways to get rid of them, from homespun remedy to medical treatment. If you get it wrong you could make it worse, so be careful and try not to get too frantic. Everyone get blackhead sometime, and everybody's skin is different, but you can find a method that work for you. Figure out your skin type. Knowing if you have oily, normal, dry, or sensitive skin will determine what kind of product you should look for when buying a cleansing product from your local store or pharmacy. The main two categories of treatment those with benzoyl peroxide, and those with salicylic acid. Product with these active ingredients can cause allergic reaction. If your skin react badly, stop using it. You can actually have more than one type, which combination. For example, your nose for asthma bully, but you may have dryness on your cheek. Most acne-prone skin is actually sensitive. Acne tend to react to product such as soap, makeup, or fragrance. If in dupe, go with a product designé for sensitive skin. For more sensitive skin, use a product with salicylic acid. If you have a sensitive skin that can dry out and be irritable, it is best to go for a product with salicylic acid. Just check the ingredient package in the store to know which you wish. Salicylic acid is more gentle to the skin, rarely cause redness and peeling, and work more slowly than the stronger alternative. Look out particularly for product that combine salicylic acid with glycolic acid. Use benzoyl peroxide. If you don't have a particularly sensitive skin that is no prone to drying out, seek out a product that have benzoyl peroxide. Thick ingredient break up the waxy clog so it loosens come out of the pore. It fastest working store-bought option, but it can be a little harsh on your skin. Strength of the benzoyl peroxide usually range between 2.5 and 10%. Combined with how long you leave the product on your skin, can influence on irritation you may experience. If your skin is sensitive, you can try a product at lowest percentage and don't leave it on your skin too long. Benzoyl peroxide can be harsh on your skin, but it is also more effective on salicylic acid. Consider an alpha-hydroxyacid product. Alpha-hydroxyacid, AA, include glycolic acid and can be very effective at exfoliating your skin. You will find glycolic acid in the exfoliator avec a chemical fast peel. It dissolve enrolled skin cell, which is an excellent way to tackle your blackhead. Use it in the same way you would a benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid product, and various instruction. AA can increase sensitivity to the sun, so be careful if you are going out in bright sunlight after using it treatment. Decide if you want to use a topical cream or face wash. Skin products are usually sold as face wash or topical cream. A topical cream usually let on longer, which makes it more time to work, but it is also more likely to irritate your skin. Follow the guideline for the given product, and be especially careful if you have a sensitive skin. Understand the limitation and risk of au moment de traitement. Try to know scientifically backed support for most au moment de traitement. Support for this method is mostly anecdotal, or based on personal acquaintance. The treatment may or may not work, and could potentially damage your skin. Talk to your doctor before attempting an au moment de traitement. If you have particularly sensitive skin, take extra care and use more diluted version of the solution. Stop if any of the irritate your skin. Try an egg with mask. It is tout a protein found in egg make bacteria that cause acne. To make a face mask, separate an egg white from the yolk, after patting dry your face, apply the egg white to your skin. You can use a cloth for tea. If you use your finger make sure they are clean and dry first. On set first egg lié à dryer, add a note. Repeati 3-5 tim, alveleting eleye dry first. Ten wash it off en pat dry. You can add d'aleye of tissue between egleye. Pel eleye of before you wash your face at en. Raw egg with kangaroo salmonella. Be sur no to ingest raw egg with. Use barmedone. One abot antiseptique en antibactérial properci en maassistine ou nansqu'un infection. Tri, ove, no évidence taïta en y affect en blaqué d'oracne. Iti tout tostikinesma et le pit bain tout blaqué dans remove thème. Varmup somonein apan, hors place à jarophonein hot water. When tonei haute toute touche, butterine au danger of you burning yourself, d'habitant to your blaqué dans let it dry for around 10 minutes. Wash off your face with a clot. You can leave titreat ton overnight, bumac sur ita drie or you might wake up with your face stuck to your pio. Check with your doctor before proceeding. A with omema de traitement with natural ingredient, tri very little le scientifically backed evidence forte effectiveness en event safety of omema de acne blaqué à traitement. You should talk with your doctor or dermatologist before attempting a omema de traitement, you could up seriously damaging your skin, which could lead to far worse problem tant à fait blacked. Macaboric pour des solutions. On recommended treatment application of highly diluted boric acid mixed with water. Boric amyl acid you can buy from the pharmacy. Mix on an half cup of hot water with half a tablespoon of boric acid powder. Dip a face clot in toute solution and apply to your skin. You can leave it for 15 or 20 minutes to work. There are no studies supporting use of boric acid for acne. Tri evidence to suggest that de have antibacterial and antiviral properties, however no proven to be effective for acne. All took diluted formulation are known to be safe for abrasion and treating vaginal bacterial disease. Boric acid if no diluted properly can cause severe skin et irritation. In addition, there are effects as report of patient WHO used en ointment containing boric acid a caused en acne eruption. Beavarta boric acid a pesticide and toxic to infant if inhaled or ingested. Use iodine en Epsom salt. The method is supposed to pult plug of all de skin out of your pore. Epsom salt can be a good exfoliant. Mix a teaspoon of Epsom salt with 4 drop of iodine in half a cup of hot water. Stir until alt salt have dissolvent temperature a dropped a little. Cette solution y a save temperature, apply to your face with cotton ball and let it dry. Then wash off and pat your face dry. Again, there is no evidence that the method actually remove blackhead. If let on your skin for too long or overused, iodine can cause severe skin reaction, or map you a risk for hyperthyroidism. Steam open your pore. Before you think about squeezing your pulling them out, you need to really loosen the pore. Blackhead are very sticky and come out easily. By loosening the pore you give yourself the best chance of success. An excellent way to do it to carefully hold your face a least a foot above a bowl of steaming water for 10 to 15 minutes. Jetting en y close can cause burn. Place at all of your de saute steam can escape. You will felt steam beginning to loosen your pore. You can also soak a washcloth in hot water and lay it over your face. Use a condom extractor. A condom extractor is a tool used by dermatologists and licensed estheticians to remove blackhead, but you can use on a home, too. It is easy to use and far less risk of damaging your skin than if you try to squeeze out a blackhead with your finger. After cleansing your skin, place the loop of it blackhead and apply gentle pressure, then pull the tool down. Blackhead should pop out of your pore. Dono prestoir. If the blackhead de come out with gentle pressure, try it with a topical cream. Pressing to harm damage your skin. Make sure you clean your skin and to after use to avoid spread of bacteria and possibly clogging the pore. Pultem out tweet blackhead strip. You can use special blackhead strip to pull out your blackhead. The technique is likely to irritate your skin. It only a temporary fix, but it could be exactly why you need in emergency. Combine occasional use of a strip with a good cleaning and exfoliating regime. For the best reçu, a good idea to use a treatment cream for a night in a to loosen your pore before you try using a blackhead strip. Avoid scalding. Neve scales, pique, or pore blackhead. Scalding blackhead can cause inflammation and infection, and will certainly not stop the blackhead coming back. If they persist, visit your doctor. If you are having a really tough time with bad skin and blackhead, pay a visit to your doctor or dermatologist for some advice.